is for everybody. Kira climbs trees where eucalyptus grows, chewing the leaves while the warm wind blows. She naps in the shade, soft fur that glows, dreaming of stars and moonlight shows. She hugs her branch and never lets go, smiling sweetly, moving slow. Kira the koala, she is a mammal so mellow. K is for kind, a kind koala fellow. Carl flies fast by the riverside, blue and orange, a rainbow glide. He dives so deep with wings so wide, catching fish with gleaming pride. He whistles tunes that echo high under the shining morning sky. Carl the kingfisher, he is a bird, absurdly superb. K is for keen, a kingfisher's chirp. Hey! Cora the koi swims smooth and free, shining like sunlight over the sea. She twirls in circles full of glee, her scale looks like bright harmony. She leaps for joy where ripples play, and wishes kids a happy day. Cora the koi, she's a fish with a wish. K is for kind-hearted, a kind-hearted kiss. Hey, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Letters are fun from A to Z, every word means the world to me. I learn, I dance, I sing along, learning letters makes me strong. Hey, hey, hey. Kurt the Komodo walks proud and grand, the strongest reptile in the land. He moves with grace across the sand, his tail like armor rough and tan. He guards his home beneath the sun, learning letters can be fun. Kurt the Komodo, he is a reptile so cool. K is for keen-eyed, a keen-eyed rule. Katie the katydid loves to sing, her wings make music every spring. She chirps all night, her songs take wing, her rhythm makes the forest ring. She jumps and dances leaf to leaf, her laughter brings the world relief. Katie the katydid, she is an insect so sweet. K is for kind-hearted, a kind-hearted beat. I'm learning the alphabet, look at me. Learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me